Hey, it's me again. We're out here on the back porch. I was looking for some hooks to hang up some lights, and as you can see, we have this vinyl siding or vinyl roofing, whatever you want to call it, and I couldn't find any kind of hooks that would accomplish what I'm trying to do here. Just kind of slide in there and along the track and stick out. So I decided to make my own because I couldn't find them. So this is what I ended up making. Something that looks like that. And as you can see, I'll show you this real fast. So it looks like that. It'll push in like that and stick out. So we'll go inside and I'll show you how to make one of those. Okay, so back inside, here's what I decided to order. This is plastic covered nose bridge strip wires, dual. If you look at them, they're like twist ties for bread, only they're double. There's two wires joined by plastic, so they're thicker. So if you look, it's this is $3.49 for 50 of them, or $6.99 for 200. So anyway, watch that. Here's how I make them. So I got a block of wood. So for quality control, so they're all about the same. You can see it's a little thicker there, maybe about an inch, maybe by half an inch, maybe 5/8, something like that. And here's what I do. So I take the strip, which is this, take it, put it around the end, I take it and I fold it over like that. And I take the fold and I push it in like that. Then I bring this all the way over to the end. I'm always working with the thicker side here, the wider side. Fold it down, and then right when it hits the bottom of it, fold it back up like that. And that's what makes the hook. I'll make another one real fast so you can see that. There you go. Put it on there, match it up with the end, fold it down, take the fold and fold it over, bring the fold back, fold it down, and then at the bottom of it, fold it back up again. Bam! Instant hooks for about $7.